What lies beyond the final horizon of existence? Look past the stars, past the galaxies, into the absolute nothingness. For centuries, humanity viewed the universe as a fixed, eternal container. Today, modern physics has shattered that comfort. We now understand that the observable universe is merely a localized bubble,
wrapped in a cosmic boundary that is expanding at a rate defying conventional logic. Cosmologists suggest that because space itself is stretching faster than light, the glow from distant galaxies will eventually vanish from our sight forever,
leaving our descendants entirely isolated in a cold, dark, and hollow expanse. This represents a fundamental, unbreakable wall of causality. An absolute cosmic horizon that completely prevents us from ever observing, knowing, or contacting whatever terrifying reality exists on the other side.
To understand what might be out there, scientists look to the theory of eternal inflation. It posits that our entire universe is not unique, but just one of countless pocket universes spawning in a chaotic cosmic sea.
In this violently dynamic model, these pocket realities can literally collide. When they do, they leave behind colossal, bruised circular imprints deeply embedded within our cosmic microwave background radiation.
Highly sensitive data captured by satellites has sparked intense global debate over whether these anomalies are tangible evidence of completely external realms bumping against our own structure,
threatening to violently warp or entirely tear the delicate fabric of our local laws of physics if the pressure between realities changes. It implies that our calm reality could be nothing more than a temporary, fragile sanctuary surrounded on all sides by absolute mathematical chaos.
Even more unsettling to theoretical physicists is the concept of the bulk. This is a higher dimensional hyperspace where our entire three-dimensional universe might simply be floating like an ultra-thin membrane. Advanced string theory suggests that while light and matter are trapped tightly on our membrane, gravity is a unique force capable of leaking directly across these higher dimensions.
If this holds true, it unlocks a shocking possibility. The mysterious dark matter holding our galaxies together might not be real matter at all. It could simply be the phantom gravitational shadow of a completely parallel universe pressing against our own. A massive, ghostly presence originating from an overlapping reality that we are physically and biologically unable to ever perceive, see, or directly touch. Think about it. We could be sharing the exact same room, the exact same space, with an invisible cosmic neighbor we can never interact with. But what if the void outside isn't just empty space? What if the void is deliberately alive? This brings us to the profound twist of the holographic principle. Renowned physicists suggest that everything we experience in 3 dimensions, including our own bodies, is merely a projection. A cosmic hologram. According to this math, the true, fundamental data of our universe is actually written on the distant, flat boundary of the cosmic horizon. We are merely the cast shadows of information stored at the absolute edge of nothingness. If space-time is just an illusion generated by this distant data boundary, what happens if that information gets corrupted? What happens if the source code itself changes? This leads directly into the most terrifying scenario known to modern quantum mechanics, the false vacuum decay. If our universe exists in a state of metastability, it means our laws of nature are resting on a false floor. At any moment, a single random quantum tunneling event somewhere in the deep void could trigger a bubble of true vacuum to form. And once born, this bubble would expand outward across the universe at the absolute speed of light. This would not be a typical explosion. It would be a total, instantaneous rewriting of the fundamental constants of nature. Atoms would lose their ability to hold together, disintegrating cleanly into nothingness. The laws of chemistry would vanish in a microsecond. There would be no early warning systems, no pain, and no surviving history, just a silent, absolute erasure of reality trailing the bubble's edge. As the bubble consumes the cosmos, it leaves behind an entirely rewritten universe. A universe where light can no longer travel through space, and where biological consciousness can never emerge again. The ultimate end. Total, irreversible, absolute silence. We are small, fragile observers drifting in a terrifying sea of unknown possibilities, clinging desperately to the edge of what we call certain. But perhaps that is our purpose, to look into the abyss, knowing that the cosmos is far stranger than we could ever dare to imagine. If you found this journey into the abyss compelling, subscribe and join our community of seekers as we continue to map the edge of the impossible.